Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about Pooja Hegde's fitness journey and how she manages to stay fit and healthy. We will discuss her workout routine, her dedication towards fitness, and how she manages to stay healthy with her busy schedule. The gorgeous Pooja as she sweats it out at the gym with slow burn exercises. The actress posted a video of herself working out, and it's exactly the fitness motivation we need to head into the weekend. The video starts with Pooja practicing the side lunges with one leg balancing exercise, followed by knee to elbow touches and more. She performed these exercises at a slow burn pace to target all the muscles in her body and maximize the effectiveness of her workout routine. For her gym session, the actor chose to wear a bright red sports bra, high-waisted training tights, and matching trainers. Pooja's post has already garnered more than 1 lakh likes and several hundred comments within an hour of being posted. This video is sure to motivate you to end your week on a fitness high and sweat out those calories. If you're wondering about the benefits of slow burn exercises, it's a form of strength training that utilizes very slow, smooth, and controlled lifting and lowering movements on machines, rather than high-force movements. This method of training helps to build your muscles more efficiently without stressing your heart and makes you metabolically efficient. So, if you're looking to take your fitness game to the next level, try incorporating some slow burn exercises into your workout routine. The stunning Pooja Hegde as she hits the gym and works hard to stay in shape. The Radhe Shyam actress is back to her rigorous workout routine, and in the video, we can see her keeping herself fit and healthy with muscle training, stretching, and various other forms of exercise. Pooja shared a video on Twitter saying, "Here's me trying to burn off last night's dessert." When she hits the gym, Pooja's usual go-to exercises are the treadmill, cardio routines, and weightlifting. She is a big fan of Pilates and trains hard with the celebrity trainer Namrata Purohit. The actress also enjoys practicing yoga and kickboxing. It's impressive to see how Pooja keeps herself motivated to maintain her fitness level. With her dedication to different forms of exercise, she is an inspiration to many who are looking to achieve their fitness goals. Pooja started her career many years back in the South regional entertainment industry, and with her hard work and efforts, she has managed to surpass most of her contemporaries and rule the industry with perfection. She has been a part of amazing and entertaining projects in the South regional entertainment industry, and eventually created her niche in Bollywood. From her debut film in Bollywood to her recent releases, Pooja has truly hit the bullseye in every department. She has impressed the audience with her acting skills, dance moves, and her charming personality. With her talent and hard work, she has become a role model for many aspiring actors and performers. No matter how busy or occupied she is in her daily life, she takes her fitness game very seriously and never misses out on a single session of workout. Pooja recently shared a super hot workout video of herself where she's killing the Vogue game in a grey bralette and trousers. Her workout video has left the netizens in awe of her beauty and dedication towards fitness. In the video, we can see Pooja sweating it out with various exercises and movements that challenge her strength, flexibility, and balance. It's inspiring to see how dedicated she is to maintaining a healthy lifestyle, even with her busy schedule. Pooja's fitness journey has been an inspiration to many, and her workout videos are always a hit on social media. She proves that with hard work, dedication, and discipline, anything is possible. Pooja never compromises on her fitness regime, and this time she's taking it up a notch. In her recent video, we see the gorgeous actress hanging upside down while lifting dumbbells, giving us a glimpse of her toned abs and midriff. Not only is she looking stunning, it's inspiring to see her dedication towards fitness in her work, and we can't wait to see her in action on the big screen. Pooja Hegde's workout routine is a mix of different types of exercises to keep her body fit and toned. She is a big fan of yoga and practices it regularly to stay flexible, improve her posture, and achieve a sense of calm and relaxation. She also incorporates cardio exercises to improve her cardiovascular health and burn calories. Whether it's running, cycling, or using the treadmill or elliptical machine, cardio is always on her workout list. But that's not all. Pooja also believes in lifting weights to build muscle, increase strength, and improve bone density. To keep her workouts varied and exciting, she enjoys doing different forms of strength training such as Pilates, TRX, and kickboxing. This ensures that her workouts are not only effective but also fun. With her dedication and hard work, Pooja manages to maintain her fitness and stay in shape. Whether it's yoga, cardio, or strength training, she always strives to push her limits and achieve her fitness goals. Pooja is known for her fit and toned physique, and it's no surprise that her diet plays a big role in achieving that. Pooja follows a well-balanced and nutritious diet that includes 5 small meals a day. She makes sure to incorporate protein, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and vegetables into each of her meals. This ensures that she's getting all the necessary nutrients to fuel her body and maintain her energy levels throughout the day. She stays away from processed and junk foods and instead focuses on consuming whole, nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. This not only helps her maintain a healthy weight but also provides her body with the necessary vitamins and minerals to stay healthy and strong. Pooja also avoids sugary drinks and instead stays hydrated by drinking plenty of water and coconut water, which is a natural electrolyte drink. This helps her maintain optimal hydration levels, especially during her workouts. Pooja Hegde's well-balanced and nutritious diet that helps her maintain her fit and toned physique. If you want to achieve similar results, make sure to incorporate whole, nutrient-dense foods into your diet and stay away from processed and junk foods. In a recent workout video shared by the actress, we can see her doing squats while playing with 2 basketballs at the same time. Pooja is wearing a sports bra and tight leggings, and she looks absolutely stunning in this outfit. During the workout, we can hear Pooja's trainer shouting from behind, encouraging her not to give up the position and to focus on the balls while sitting in the squat position. Pooja's dedication to her fitness routine is truly inspiring, and it's no surprise that she has such a fit and toned body. The beautiful actress believes that a healthy lifestyle is crucial for overall well-being. One of her top priorities is to get adequate sleep, which is essential for recovery and restoration. She also practices stress management techniques such as meditation, mindfulness, and deep breathing exercises to manage her stress levels. These techniques can be really helpful for anyone trying to balance a busy schedule. Another aspect of Pooja's healthy lifestyle is avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, as these habits can have negative impacts on health and fitness goals. This actress hardly ever misses a day of exercise, and we've got the video to prove it. In her latest post on social media, Pooja can be seen pushing herself to the limit with some cutting-edge gym equipment while dressed in chic green athleisure. Pooja frequently attends Pilates classes at a well-known studio and is often captured by paparazzi outside of her gym. Not only is she known for her toned physique, but fans also adore her high-glam athleisure ensembles and designer handbags. And let's not forget, the diva is a master at rocking the no-makeup workout look. Pooja Hegde's workout routine is diverse and exciting, which helps her stay motivated and interested in her fitness journey. She likes to mix up her workouts by incorporating various types of exercises, such as yoga, cardio, weight training, Pilates, and kickboxing. This not only keeps her workouts interesting but also targets different muscle groups, helping her avoid plateaus in her progress. Consistency is the key to Pooja Hegde's workout routine. She works out 6 days a week, for an hour and a half each day. She is disciplined with her workouts and rarely misses a session, which helps her maintain her fitness levels and achieve her goals. Pooja Hegde is a big believer in the benefits of yoga. She practices yoga regularly, which helps her stay flexible, improve her posture, and reduce stress. She also incorporates different types of yoga into her routine, such as Hatha, Vinyasa, and Power Yoga, to challenge herself and work on different aspects of her fitness. Pooja Hegde also focuses on strength training to build muscle, increase strength, and improve her bone density. She lifts weights and incorporates different types of strength training exercises such as squats, lunges, deadlifts, and push-ups. She also likes to mix it up by using different types of equipment such as resistance bands, kettlebells, and dumbbells to keep her workouts challenging and exciting. Did you know that Pooja's journey in the film industry started with her debut in the Bollywood movie Mohenjo-daro alongside superstar Hrithik Roshan? Since then, she has become known for her beauty, fitness, and style. Speaking of fitness, Pooja's workout routine is really intriguing. She has the best fitness trainer in Bollywood who keeps her in top shape. Despite having a busy work schedule, Pooja never compromises on her fitness routine, which includes taking Pilates classes from Namrata Purohit, aerial silk lessons from Aditi Deshpande, and CrossFit training from Harrison James. Additionally, she always makes sure to prioritize her workouts. She's an actress who started her journey as a thin but unfriendly girl in the film industry, and she is now an avid lover of many workout styles. When it comes to her diet, Pooja believes in eating everything in moderation. She avoids unhealthy foods and keeps account of her calorie intake. Her latest diet plan includes a glass of fresh juice with toast slices for breakfast, along with almonds and cereals. She likes to include rice roti, vegetables, and pulses for lunch, and fresh fruits and shakes for homemade food while working. Pooja believes in eating light and easy to digest foods. But don't be fooled, Pooja loves sweets too. She's a self-confessed non-vegetarian who includes lots of vegetables to keep her digestive system healthy. Her favorite non-veg is seafood, especially prawns and lobsters. Next comes mutton and chicken. Pooja's go-to comfort food is dal chawal, but she also enjoys Indian, Italian, and Korean cuisines. As a popular Tollywood actor, she has developed a taste for some Telugu dishes, such as Hyderabadi biryani, tangy gondura curry, and the famous sweet of Andhra Pradesh, Putharekulu. So, that was all about Pooja Hegde's fitness journey. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and got some fitness inspiration from it. If you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.